Today I've been fixing the roses. It's been quite a cold winter, so I've had to cut them down quite a lot. Usually you cut them like 15 centimeters above, but it's been so cold that I've cut them a bit like harsher. I'm going to show you what I've done and what I've got yet to do. What I did, I went over all of the roses and I cut them down like so. And then I just let the branches lie there. So now I'm gonna pick up all of these and put them in my bucket. And as you can see, roses are quite easy as long as you're wearing gloves. Then it's like easier to handle them. Actually, these at the end here don't have that many pointy ends, I suppose, but like once they head further back, they are like really sharp. And this I'll compost all of the branches. As you can see here, this is like a dead branch, so I'm going to cut it up. Bye bye. There are some that are alive, and there's a lot that's pretty dried out and dead. So that's been because it's been a really harsh winter, so that's why I'm cutting them so low to the ground. Usually you cut them like this above, like where there's new branches, but now some places I've cut them lower just so they can grow, and because they're like really not that pretty. As you can see, this one has survived a lot better. It's called Aloysia, and it survived like -10 degrees and wind this winter and loads of rain. It's been quite a lot of rain, so as you can see, it's, well, there's more green than there's dead branches here. And what is this, you might ask? This is just like a plastic pot I put upside down, and that's because I'm gonna put the new rose here, so then it's just preparing for that. As you can see here, I have picked some oysters from the sea, and then I leave them in the earth to make it better for the roses. Because it rains a lot here, so then you can pick like seashells and have in your rose beds. Also, I've saved up some eggs that I'm gonna use in addition to the oysters. And then I just put everything like in between. And of course afterwards I'm gonna test the eggs. Also I'm using some of these goodies. And this is important not to get them on the roses, because then they'll get like sort of a burn from it if it's too strong. And some of this. And then you need to mix it all up. And I have a tool here. And of course I'm using one hand to hold my cell phone. So it's like way easier with two hands. Just put it in the middle because it's easier, but you have to mix outside as well, because the rose gets like this nutrition from the whole thing. So what I do, I like pour it in the middle and then I mix it outside as well, around the whole rose. So here's the good stuff I poured in, then I put it a bit out and mix. And now it's finished. And I'm quite satisfied with my effort so far today. And now I'm finished and I'm proud of what I've accomplished so far. These roses will blossom in the summer and into the fall, and they will be really pretty. So I'm looking forward to that. Thank you for watching and following me fix these roses up. Bye.